I made Spider-Man PlayStation 5, but with guns, and it led to some crazy results, so stick to the end to find out what happens. Also, only a small percentage of my viewers are actually subscribed, so if you enjoyed this video, subscribe, it's free, and you can always unsubscribe when you want to. I'm using Unity Engine to create this game. So to start off, I already had a player that can web sling, move, and look around from my last devlog, which you can check in the description. I was going to make a new map for the player to move in when I realized I suck at modeling. So I went to the Unity Asset Store and found a great city pack, which was 50% off, so it only cost $5. I also found the animated characters pack for $20, and they both worked surprisingly well. When I placed the characters on a nav mesh, they already started walking around. They can even kill each other. Now that we have the boring stuff down, let's add the pew-pews. To start off, I got a model from Google Poly and wrote a script that shoots. How this works is, first you reference the place where the bullet will come out of and what the bullet is. Then you make it so that if you press left click, it spawns the bullet at the position of whatever you set as where the bullet will come out of. Then I put a script on the bullet that makes it keep on going forward. And now we can shoot bullets. But I still needed to do a little bit of polishing, like the speed of the bullet, and I also need to add a sound for when you shoot. So I did just that. I changed the speed of the bullet to 20, which is perfect in my case, and I added the sound for when you shoot. I also added sounds for everything else, and even added music for the main menu. And added sounds for civilians walking. Then I wrote a very basic script that makes the weapon sway when you move. I will explain the code, but it's a little bit complicated for you guys to understand. I barely understand it because I'm kind of in the zone when I'm writing code. Dani even said the same thing about when he writes code. What do you think? Great minds think alike. Then I wrote a script for the enemy that makes them die when they get shot. But there is no enemy to put the script on because I tried it on a civilian. And since I wasn't the one who made that asset, it was kinda whack and wouldn't work on the civilians. So for now, there isn't really an enemy. Enemies aside, I added some pretty epic new things. First, I found this gun model that I really liked, so I decided I was going to add multiple weapons. So I made a script that lets you switch between weapons and worked really well. And both weapons have different traits, like the bullets in the revolver are slower and red, and the bullets in the power gun are faster and blue. At this time, I was totally vibing with the new weapons, so I added another one. But this one was not a gun, it was a, drumroll please, sword. For the sword, I got a model of a sword, well no. Then, I made an animation for it for when you cut. The sword's animations and the sword itself is heavily inspired by the YouTuber Dani's game, Carlson. Oh, you're wondering what Carlson is? It's just a game that he's working on and you can wishlist it on Steam. Let's get it to the number 1 spot, baby! So yeah, the sword was inspired by Dani's game, but there are some key differences. He moves the gun so the sword doesn't cut it, but I'm too lazy to make more animations, and I just made so that the sword goes above the gun. And I wrote a script so the player can switch between animations for the sword. In the end, I thought the sword was a pretty epic addition to my Spider-Man game, and whenever you press shift, you use the sword. Okay, I made a lot of progress, so now I'm just going to rely on nope. I'm a psychopath, so I'm going to add even more weapons. It's easy, I like it, so don't judge me. But I'm a YouTuber, which means I'm a slave to my audience, so you need to do what you want. So instead of doing fun stuff, I'll do the new weapons later, and for now just focus on particles for stuff like jumping and such, so I don't run out of fun things to do later. So I added particles for when you jump, and it doesn't show when you're going really fast, so you know when you're going really fast. After adding the particles, I tweaked some settings on the sword animation, so it felt a little smoother. Then I added a sound for when you use the sword. As you can see, I added a map that activates whenever you press M, and if you look below you with the map open, the map will lift you up and make you float. I'll keep this in for people who want to speedrun my game. They use this feature. Also, if you're this far in the video, I just wanted to mention there's a free download of the game down below. But be aware that download is pretty outdated. and there's a lot less features of that one, so don't be confused if the map is completely different, because that download is from my other video, linked down below. So that's all I did this week in my spare time, making Spider-Man PS5, but with guns. I'll keep working on this game in my free time, but that's all I can film this video. Subscribe, and I'll see you later.